Good afternoon, welcome to the New York Market session today. All right. Apologies for the breaking transmission. We're just going to just confirm if you can hear me. Can you type in chat box if you can hear me? Can you confirm if you can hear me? I guess I can be heard. So on the monthly time frame for DXY, nothing has really changed. Nothing has changed per se. All we can see is that price ranged for a period of time.
Wait, you can't see your screen, please.
Sorry?
Can't see your screen. Can't see your screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So price ranged for a bit, a period of time, and then we saw it clear and a sweep of this liquidity right here to the downside. And the weekly time frame is what we'll be looking out for a period of time now. We want to see price trade all the way to the left shoulder right here at 107 spot 490, right? Shoulder sweep break. Once price returns into the left shoulder at 107 spot 490, I am looking out for a sell-off of the DXY. And on the daily time frame also, I've seen right here, price has just been breaking above. So fibbing from point A to point B, right here, we can see, and actually take note that price has tapped into 78.6% level, and we're seeing some push to the upside. Where do I think price wants to trade into? I'm speculating to see price clear the high at 99 spot 549 on the daily time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, right, pretty much we're seeing a clear of this high right here. And all we want to see price do is for price to keep trading and clear liquidity here. There's liquidity residing at this double top. So once price retraces into 198 spot 437 on the 4-hour time frame, because there's a classic box pattern for a buy, shoulder at 98 spot 437, sweep to the downside, break to the upside. Once price retraces right back into this left shoulder, I am more than willing to take buy positions on the DXY. Pretty much the same point of interest on the 1-hour time frame. Once price retraces into this left shoulder, best believe I am buying the DXY. So our outlook this morning was actually a buy of the DXY. We've not seen price getting into our point of interest because we always want to buy at discount. We want to buy at a discount. On the 15 minutes time frame, there's even a point of interest much closer. Shoulder at 98 spot 866, sweep to the downside, break to the upside. I want to see price retrace right back into the shoulder at 98 spot 866. And once that happens, I am willing to buy the DXY on the 15-minute time frame. Now to GBP USD, let's see what price has for us right there. Monthly time frame, right? We're seeing structure. The most recent price action, we're seeing structure to the upside. And on the weekly time frame also, Price has traded into a premium level. We're expecting to see a retracement, at least for price to retrace right back into 1.24930. Sweep, shoulder right here, sweep, break, return right back into this level. Long term, of course, I'm a swing trader and price retraces right back into this level. I will be willing to hold the trade for a long period of time. On daily time frame, let's see what price is doing. So right here, I'm even seeing price breaking lower. I'm seeing price breaking lower on daily time frame, and I am speculating that price should clear the low at this level, 1.31850. I'm speculating that this sell is targeting the low at 1.31850 on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, price is breaking even lower. And of course, I want to see this low being taken out. So let's see if we can spot any point of entry. On the 15 minutes time frame, I can actually spot this entry. This is still in alignment with the analysis we had during the London market color session. Shoulder at 1.33801, sweep to the upside, break to the downside. We want to see price retrace right back into the left shoulder, coinciding with this very broad fair value gap right here. So we want to see price retracing and filling the fair value gap and eventually trade into the left shoulder right here. So our analysis still stands. We're still looking out for sell opportunities on GBP USD. Last on my list being EUR USD. Multi-time frame, right? We saw price clear. It is liquidity right here. Price ranged, consolidated for a period of time, and we saw price expanding right to the upside. Coming down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is what we want to see price do, or this is what I'm circulating that price will do. Retrace right back into this left shoulder sweep, break. We want to see price returning right back into this left shoulder. And once that happens, best believe I will be pulling a trigger for the buy on EUR USD once price retraces into 1.06731. And down to the daily time frame, because we're seeing structure breaking to the downside, forming lower highs and lower lows. This high right here, price failed to take out this previous high and instead came and formed a high lower than the previous one. And we're seeing that structure is to the downside, indicating that we should be looking out for sell opportunities. And right here on the 4-hour time frame also, we want to see price clearing liquidity right here at 1.15542. So I'll be looking out for entries. Right, so on the 1-hour time frame, there's an entry right here. Point of interest, rather. Shoulder at 1.16928. Sweep to the upside, break to the downside. We want to see price trace right back into the left shoulder at 1.16928. And once price gets there, I'm more than willing to take sell positions on EUR USD. So that's pretty much my analysis. If you have questions or different bias, please feel free to type in the chat box. Registration for the FX Bootcamp training is currently ongoing. You can send us a message of 081 6099 5030. And also, if you're interested in signing up for the Falcon bot listing service, you will also visit valueflowtrading.com/Falcon to get started. Can't see questions. I'm assuming that the analysis is clear and you agree with everything that has been said. So without taking further time, we'll be going on a very brief break, and CJ will be coming up for his analysis on gold and the yen basket.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the market column. We proceed as we look at gold quickly and then look at GBP JPY and Euro JPY as we have clear biases on them for trades we're expecting to play out today. Starting off with gold, today we're looking forward to seeing gold resume the buy. All right, so since morning, gold has not given us a buy setup yet, so we're just watching to see how that is going to play out at the end of the day. We're looking for a buy setup on gold where we want to see gold trade above this high here and possibly take it out, after which we would now expect that final push to the upside on gold. So we're expecting gold buy, and then for me right now, I just want to see gold break this high. The moment it breaks this high, I'll be taking a buy on gold to the upside. Remember in the morning we said our bias on gold is a buy, so we still maintain that same bias. Then quickly on GBP JPY and Euro JPY, we said we're looking forward to seeing buy trades, because if you look at the yen basket, it was looking clear for a return to the downside. All right, let's use the daily time frame. Yeah, so we're looking forward to sell also on the yen after retracing. So on GBP JPY, we're looking forward to buy, and then Euro JPY, we're also looking forward to taking a buy. So we said, so at the morning, we wanted to see a buy from somewhere around here. So you can see that price is beginning to start buying on GBP JPY. Now that it has broken the structure, let me just show you clearly. This would have been like the first best place to take a buy, somewhere around here. This would have been the first best place to take a buy. But since we missed that, we can look for an engulfing pattern on 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame from where price is. So we can take a buy. And when I'm taking a buy on GBP JPY, my stop loss is going to be right below here. Right, so let's do 25 pips somewhere around here for the GBP JPY buy, and then take profit, of course, 1:3 minimum. So we're targeting this high right here for our GBP JPY buy. So this is it. We're looking to execute a GBP JPY buy from here all the way to the upside. Same thing goes for Euro JPY, but in case of Euro JPY, I'll be waiting for a retracement to this level right here. If I see a retracement of Euro JPY right here, I'll be willing to take a buy from that position to the upside. And as usual, I'll also extend my take stop loss to be around 20 pips, switch to somewhere below here, and then take profit 1:3 minimum, which will be all the way above on Euro JPY. So I'm looking forward to seeing price trade all the way there. So this is what I'm expecting on Euro JPY. We move like this from here all the way here, and then back to the upside. So if I see Euro JPY make this play, I'll gladly take my buy and ride it to the upside. So this is just an update on how I intend to take positions on these two currency pairs that we've analyzed earlier in the morning, and hopefully we see it play out in our direction. Okay, so I hope everyone who joined today's market call will be able to take advantage of it when it finally plays out. Euro JPY buy, we're looking for it here. GBP JPY buy, we're also looking for it somewhere around here. Once you see the engulfing pattern, we're taking our buy to the upside. So something like what happened right here, this pattern here between these two candles, the way this one engulfed this candle, this is where I'm looking to take the buy. So from here, we'll be riding the GBP JPY buy all the way to this high right here. Okay, so I want you to, if it sits well with you, then you can replicate the trade. If not, you can also run your own analysis to see what will come up with. Okay, so this is the two trades. These are the two trades that I'm looking forward to taking today. All right. So once again, thank you very much for joining today's market call. I want to keep it very short so that you can go back to your chart and your various activities for the day, but with a clear and objective view of the market that we've analyzed. Okay, once again, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, I'm looking for a buy right now. And then that is it for today. Okay. All right. So GBP JPY looks like it's heading to close right above here. So if this candle closes, we'll be taking our GBP JPY buy. That is, if you did not enter here, I did not enter the first time I mentioned it, you can enter at the close of this 5 minutes candle, and then place your stop loss 20 pips, and then ride GBP JPY all the way to at least 60 pips, at least 60 pips of GBP JPY. Okay. So let's just wait a few seconds. We should be closing above here anytime from now, and then we'll take in the trade. All right, so this brings us to the end of today's market color. Thank you very much for everyone who has joined us today, and it's been a wonderful time. We hope to see you tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. GMT +1 for the morning market color for tomorrow. My name is CJ. Until then, wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless.